Welcome to University of Tsukuba Libraries. This video shows how to check out books using the machines provided. Self-checkout works only for books that have ID barcodes on their covers. First, tap the Lend button on the screen. Second, noting its orientation, place your ID card in the scan tray. Third, place the book on top of your ID card with its barcode facing up, with its spine to the back and with its bottom flush against the right bar. Fourth, when the scan is completed and the title of the book displays on the screen, remove the book. Fifth, repeat the third and fourth steps for each book you want to check out. Sixth, when you are done, tap Close and remove your ID card and your receipt. If the machine doesn't work, please come to the main counter.